Halo semua, nama saya Wong Khai.
Nama saya NURUL.
Nama saya JULAILAH.
Nama saya BINTI FATIMAH.
So sekarang kami akan introduce dengan Cramer.
Okay, so what is Cramer's rule? Cramer's rule is another way to solve a system of linear equation of matrices. It is efficient for solving small matter and can be calculated quickly. Cramer's rule only works on square matrices that have a non-zero determinant and a unique solution. It will give us unit solution. However, if the system has no solution, it means that determinant is zero. It expresses the solution in terms of determinant of the coefficient matrices and obtained from it by replacing one column by the vector right-hand side of the equation.
Okay, let's go to how to use Cramer rules. So Cramer rules, there are can be two variable or more than two variable. So the coefficient of variable x and y use subscripted a and b respectively, while the constant term use subscript c. Both denominator in solving x and y are the same. They come from the column of x and y. Looking at the numerator in solving for x, the coefficient of x column are replaced by the constant column in red. In the same manner, to solve for y, the coefficient of column are replaced by the constant column in red. Next. This is okay, for three variables, so the coefficient of x, y, and z make us of subscribe a, b, and c respectively, while the constant term use subscribe d. The denominator to find the value of x, y, and z are all the same, which is the determinant of the coefficient matrix. Next. Coefficient coming from the column of x, y, and z. To solve x, the coefficient of x column is replaced by the constant column in red. Then to solve y, the coefficient of y column is replaced by the constant column in red. And in the same manner, to solve for z, the coefficient of z column is replaced by the constant column in red also. Okay, next. This is to solve x, y, and z.
Okay, this is some of the advantage and disadvantage of Cramer's rule other than a solution procedure. The advantage is we can find the value of x, y, or z without having to know any of the other values of x, y, or z. If any of the value of x, y, or z is a fraction, we don't have to plug in a fraction to find the other values. Each value can be found independently. And the disadvantage, if the value d is 0, then Cramer's rule will not work because we can divide any value by 0. And when d is 0, the solution is either no solution or infinitely many solutions. So we have to use another technique to find out whether the answer is no solution or infinitely many solutions.
So now we are looking for a real world question. A crab store is selling a bag of popcorn. There are three types of bags selling, which is small bag sell for 3 ringgit, and medium sized bag is sells for 5 ringgit, and large bag is sells for 7 ringgit. The store has sold a total 15 bags and had made 77 ringgit. He has sold 2 more medium bags than small bag. How many each size did he sell? So now we have 3 variables with small, medium, and large bag, and total bags sold is 15, and total price we get is 77. So now this is the normal equation that we have for the 3 variable with the answer, and we apply the Cramer rules, so that for the matrix A, which is for x, y, and z. So we replace when we look for the answer for variable x, we replace the constant in the x variable, and so on for the y and also z. So we find the determinant for matrix A, A1, and A2, and also A3. So the answer is for A, determinant of A is 6. So which means that it can find by the Cramer rule, because the determinant of A is not equal to 0. So meaning the equation have a solution. So A1, the determinant for A1 is 32, A2 is 20, and A3 is 38. So now we apply the Cramer's rule to find the value of x. So it's determinant of A1 divided by determinant of A. So the answer is 16/3, and y is 10/3, and also z is 19/3. So we are now for ending to. Thank you for listening to us.